Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another behind the scenes of a shoot I did using only natural light with the Canon EOS RP. For this shoot, I wanted to combine the styles of Irene Rudnick and Mark Claus. I wanted to create a fantasy themed shoot that features a male model. The model that I'm shooting with today is my longtime friend, Yakov. When we arrived at the location, the weather was overcast, which made the setting look very dark, so we had to search for areas where the forest opened up, letting in more light. Eventually, we were able to find some spots that were more well lit. However, the light was coming in directly above us, which can create some uneven lighting on your model. When you find yourself in a situation like this, try to pose your model with their face turned toward the light. This will create even lighting on your subject. Because of the difficult lighting conditions, we decided to switch the locations to another park that had a river running through it. It was golden hour now, and the clouds had cleared up, so the lighting conditions were now perfect. We found an area with tall grass that was being illuminated by the sun. There was a lot of highlighting going on in the grass and on the white shirt. However, the Canon EOS RP was handling the highlights very well. We continued up the trail to a higher area, and this time, the lighting was pouring in right through the trees, which created beautiful bokeh. I gave my model a book. This can help the model with creating more poses and help make the picture look a lot more natural. For these next couple of shots, I wanted to try a forest nymph style photo that I've wanted to do for a while. For this look, my model removed his shirt for a more organic look against the greenery. Whenever you're shooting with your model exposed like this, it's very important that you discuss this with your model prior to the shoot. Show them examples of what you're looking for and make sure you know what they are and are not comfortable with. It's very important that everyone feels comfortable on any shoot that you're doing. For the final location, my model and I climbed down to where the water was, and I had him pose on the rocks. I wanted the water directly behind him, so I had him sit out on the farthest rock. Posing was a little bit difficult here though, because there wasn't a lot of surface for him to sit on. We eventually found a pose though that looked great on camera. That's all I have for you today. Thank you to everyone involved in this shoot. If you liked this video, please press the like button below and subscribe for more future behind the scenes. Everyone out there, stay safe and healthy. My name is Raphael, and I'll see you next time. Bye!